the massive part is really to understand how much coverage for which use cases we have to achieve in the country. 5G is quite it's a big box with many items inside, so we have to take out the right one. So identifying the right use cases, which we believe should be smart city, so interacting with municipalities, will create a certain demand, certain spectrum strategy behind, and will then lead by the end to our development plans. Fiberization is the second part. 5G means we are connecting everything with fiber, so it's a challenge also to roll it out in a short time to be ready for the use cases to be used really in real life. Phases and challenges. Let's start with challenges. First of all, to convince the partners that the ecosystem is creating more than each party separately. Specifically in our case, where it's a transformation of the entire industry. It's not a company, so it's a national industry which is at once transformed in a horizontal model, wholesale retail, to get this mindset in the head of the partners that they are not losing, but they are leveraging, that one is building without competition and infrastructure, and the rest can do something on top. This is the first part. Challenges, the phases now is at least to ensure that we are starting with proper competition. Means we have something in place which is not perfect, it's not an optimal solution for the country, but we can start. So sales guys are on a level playing field saying, I was mobile, I'm fixed now. I was fixed, I am mobile now. So they have to explore what does it mean. They will have their own challenges, and we have to support them. They should not fail, we need them. Really to ensure that we are identifying the demands early enough that we are ready to deploy the right amount of infrastructure in the right time, and that we are innovating our business in a way that they're not only efficient but also effective. It means that we are not following things which we believe will not create value in the country, but we are promoting the ideas which we have to build by the end, but somebody has to sell or to use early enough so that we can be sure that our investments are coming in time. So investment cycles in telco industries is 1.5 to 2 years. Demand is sometimes popping up much faster. So forecasts, strategic discussions, what the future should be for us with a certain ambition level. This is what we are doing now. Everything what is telco business. So it starts with the fiber layer in the country, nationwide. It's continuing with the transport network to carry all the data which we want to have in the network, to create new radio and fixed access, and to create solutions which the corporates can use. And that will include also data center, private cloud, public cloud solutions in the country, which they are not in place today. And we believe even a small country should have a solid base to have this in place. This is what we are doing. So it contains everything, and it's clear that we will be involved in a much broader scale in every development, microservices, APIs, than any other party in the country dealing with telecommunication services. And that's our challenge, and that's also our objective to make it proper. Basic concept is to get the infrastructure which we have now in our possession on the next level. So it means to completely modernize that. So it's a complete reinvestment in the telco platform for the entire country. So that is what we are involved in. And it's from the basic level to the top level to the service development or the service delivery platforms. So, and it's pretty much everything my colleagues here in the rooms have spoken today and yesterday, what they are dealing with. We are doing it at once. So we have not the comfort to say we are picking up the cherries, which are easy in creating monetization immediately. We have the task to do everything, including cybersecurity for the country.